Hello and welcome to our channel, where we investigate the mysteries of the cosmos and beyond. Have you ever thought about the world beyond Earth? How much do you actually know about the planets in our solar system? You might have learned some fascinating things about them. In this video, we'll debunk some of the most common misunderstandings about each planet in our solar system. Prepare to have your mind blown, as we uncover fascinating and frequently unexpected truths about planets we thought we knew. So take a seat, relax, and prepare to be amazed. The smallest planet in our solar system, Mercury, comes first. One widespread misunderstanding is that it is the hottest planet, while Venus really holds that distinction. Mercury is very hot during the day because of its closeness to the Sun, but because there is no atmosphere to hold the heat in, the temperature drops sharply at night. Another misunderstanding about Mercury is that it is always quite close to the Sun. In reality though, Mercury's orbit is highly elliptical, which means that throughout its year, it swings both closer to and further away from the Sun. Venus. Speaking of Venus, there are numerous myths regarding our neighboring planet. The first is that it's an excellent location for a romantic holiday. After all, it is the planet of love, right? No, not exactly. Venus was named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, but its surface is a hellscape of crushing pressure, searing temperatures, and a toxic atmosphere. Another common misunderstanding is that it is Earth's twin. However, its severe conditions distinguish it from our own world. Earth, the planet we call home, comes next. While we may believe we know everything there is to know about our own planet, there are still certain myths floating around. Some individuals believe that the Earth is flat, although overwhelming evidence indicates that it is a sphere. Another common myth is that the Earth is the center of the universe. However, we now know that our planet is only one of many that orbit the Sun. Mars. Next up, the red planet Mars. One frequent myth about Mars is that it possesses a breathable atmosphere. Nevertheless, the air on Mars is primarily carbon dioxide, and far too thin to support human life. Another common myth is that Mars is the nearest planet to Earth. However, the distance between the planets varies dramatically, depending on where they are in their orbits. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. One common myth is that it is solid all the way through. Nevertheless, it is largely formed of gas, and has no solid surface to stand on. Another common misunderstanding is that it has a massive ring system like Saturn, although while it does have some weak rings, they are nowhere near as conspicuous. Saturn. Speaking of Saturn, there are a few myths surrounding this ring planet. One is that the rings appear to be solid, but they are actually made up of innumerable frozen particles, ranging in size from small grains to boulders. Another common myth is that Saturn is the only planet having rings. Nevertheless, all four of our solar system's gas giants have ring systems of varied sizes and complexity. Uranus. Continuing our journey to the ice giants, we arrive at Uranus. One widespread myth about this planet is that it rotates on its side. Instead, its axis of rotation is inclined at approximately 98 degrees, relative to its orbit. This gives it a very distinct appearance, and results in some unusual weather patterns. Another common myth about Uranus is that it is a dull, featureless planet, but new investigations have revealed some intriguing characteristics about its atmosphere and moons. Last but not least, we have Neptune, the planet farthest from the Sun. One widespread myth is that it is constantly frigid and frosty. However, due to the tremendous pressures in its lower atmosphere, its atmosphere contains some of the warmest temperatures in our solar system. Another common fallacy is that Neptune is a solitary planet, but in reality, it contains at least 14 moons and many weak ring arcs. That brings us to the end of our voyage across the solar system, where we debunk some of the most frequent myths about each planet. We hope you've learned something new and intriguing today, and that this video has motivated you to keep exploring the universe's mysteries. Remember that there is always more to explore and learn, and that the cosmos is full of surprises and mysteries, just waiting to be solved. So keep looking, and who knows what fantastic discoveries you might come across. Thank you for viewing, and don't forget to subscribe for more space and astronomy videos. Peace out.